Awkward. Hello guys, I'm video. Probably the thing uploaded the first time my dog met me. That video will come soon. Maybe tomorrow or Saturday. Who knows? Anyways, basically guys, today my friend today we got a new nerf gun and my friend gives me look at it. Now look, it's orange, it's white, and it's gray stuff. But let's see how it shoots. Let's give me this bullet too. What? And stuff. Oh, and stuff. This thing is easily breakable. I'm not joking. Cause last seconds and stuff. Yeah, he told me, but it took him. He got a new one because this thing will break. See, look at that. It's a little breaking. There you go. And you may see the inside and stuff. And try it again, guys. And I broke it. I actually guys did not break it. Look at it, it is fixable. Look at see? It then it still works basically. And the only thing how to load it is basically you do this, you open it, right? You put your bullet in. It's a weird way, I'm telling you. See, look, you put the bullet in, you unhatch that, and then you put your thing right there and stuff. I'll show you better luck again. Hang on. I'm done shooting that bullet. Hang on. It's the worst. So basically, see, put the nerf gun in bullet. It disappeared. It disappeared. Put it right there. So it's not loaded yet, and then it's loaded. Now let's see how it shoots without the pointy tip. There's Wally. Here. Watch this. I actually do have more other nerf guns though, but yeah. Put it in. And we're gonna touch this. Now watch. Look at Wally. Hi, Mama. Do you like it? Guys, hope you like the video. Like, subscribe, and see you next video. Bye. Good night. Like, subscribe, and see you next video. Bye. And I'll be too sawita.